Hi, sisters!
Me?
I don't know.
I'll blurp it, you know.
This is not a real conversation. We're joking.
I look disgusting.
I'm stealing your
You know
spotlight.
Kylie
Kylie who?
McNair, I think? Like something.
Yes, I do.
So we were supposed to only have practice from 2:35 or till 2:35, right? She was like, you know, like we have a mandatory meeting, but like y'all should stay. So I needed to stay for a little bit.
That's disgusting.
Wait, what happened?
Oh, well, they had to go to a star meeting, so like she was
Like y'all could stay.
Yeah, you have to take the star. LOL.
Then again, it's just
Just made me so happy.
I'm legit out of water. I have one sip, and it's going in my cup. Do the signature.
Hey, wait, that one's mine. Thanks.
1 second video time!
Literally taking. I look so much tanner.
Same.
These glasses are
Hudnall?
ugly. I know.
Who?
Hudnall?
Who's Hudnall?
Tanner?
Oh, there's dirt and hair in this.
That's the embodiment of Kendall's
It's
trunk.
good for
There's dirt and
exfoliation
hair
of the throat.
Ew.
Wow, this is.
Ready? Wow.
Ah!
Wow.
Okay, ready for my truck tea talk? Oh yeah, welcome back, by the way. Make sure you smash my button.
Smash my butt in?
Wait, where's the? Oh, there it is.
Smash my butt in.
Okay, so they already know what happened to me this morning. I don't think Allison knows.
Oh, yeah, no, Lexi told me.
Ah!
See, if I had a key,
Okay.
you literally could have came to my class.
I look like an Oompa Loompa.
Time for another blonde moment. I showed up to school and Lexi pulled up next to me and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go sit in her car for like 5 minutes before the bell rings.
Oh yeah, I remember
So I go
this.
put my keys in my backpack and I slam my trunk down and I'm like, oh crap.
My keys are locked in my trunk.
So
I hate how I look.
I had my phone and I started calling my mom and calling my dad and doing all this stuff and I sat as a refugee in the parking lot for 20 minutes.
You were sarking on
waiting.
Sarking?
I was Sarkin Ongwan. Oh my goodness.
Who's
I
that?
love AP Lit jokes.
What's
It
the
was
title
Sarkin.
of the book that y'all are reading in AP Lang?
Going after Casciato.
Okay.
Why?
You know that guy, the senior with the mustache?
He must have made that after he wrote the
There's
things
one with
they
like
carried.
a mullet that
Because I
looks
read in the book today.
Oh my God.
I had the. I did that at the same time. I took the quiz today.
Ew,
Let me
it's that
see.
kid.
Yeah, it's a kid.
The one that has the
Ew.
mullet. I'm like all spread out in this truck.
Triggered.
This is very comfortable. Let's go on a road trip.
What was I saying?
Oh, can I have some?
I took.
You have water?
Yeah.
Can I have some?
I'm gonna be dehydrated if I don't drink at all, but I guess one sip is
You
okay.
need to bring those steps.
What was I saying?
Natalie.
Oh yeah, I took the English quiz today and
Oh.
it was ratchet,
That sucks.
hardcore.
Ew.
Also, I took a physics DLA.
Ew.
It's pretty okay.
I knew everything
Ready?
for that Tim test, but I screwed up a dumb poly that's on the guy
Can I
on.
pretend?
Yes.
And that. You didn't say it.
I know. Okay.
Why do we always?
Take two. And that.
Is the tea.
Wow, that was really good.
Wow,
This
we're
water's
so
so
weird.
refreshing.
Cringing.
Are you getting hair and dust in it in your mouth?
Hopefully not.
Oh. That was really
That
cute.
reminded me in the office, Angela.
A new visor.
And
What Angela did.
Angela.
Remember whenever she gets that new hat and she comes back and she leaves a monitor on and she coughs? She
No.
gets a hairball.
No.
You don't remember that?
Oh, the hairball.
Sorry,
yeah.
I've never seen Friends or The Office. Which one was it?
I
How'd you
watched.
already get yours dirty?
It fell off while I was trying to
Why
get
are
the
they
fly
white?
ball. They're pretty though.
Yeah,
Look at
but-
that embroidery.
But like, also look at the red.
I know.
But like,
Oh,
also
yeah.
look
Seasons
right
of
there.
That was
myself,
just a
like,
bad
never use
idea.
that
A little
again.
scary.
I'm drinking some more water. You have
Big
sectionals
last
today?
sip. Yeah.
With Carl?
Sadly.
Are
Well,
you-
not because
are
it's
you
with
fighting?
him. It's just
Okay.
because.
I hate sectionals.
Kaylee's gonna be there.
No,
I
she's not.
haven't-
She's late for Miller.
No, she's not. She's
Why?
not gonna be there because
Why?
she has a dentist appointment. And I did have private lessons, but now I have to go at like 8 o'clock. and
Guess
it's gonna
what?
Be so fun.
I haven't gone to a sectional all year.
But I'm not going.
Dang.
But to be fair, I have like M&R and stuff, so I.
So do you have to make up all of those sectionals?
What is that?
No. Maze
What
is
noise?
just like, yeah, I'm gonna cancel sectionals for this week.
Yeah.
But this is the only week that we're gonna cancel sectionals, and then he cancels them for like the rest of the year, and it's okay.
When is y'all's UIL?
Next week
Oh, shit.
I go on a field trip on Wednesday.
to our UIL. Is that the forensics one?
DREAM!
Shout out JoJo Siwa.
Her dog's name's the same as mine.
What if JoJo
Bobo.
Siwa subscribed?
Ew, I literally looked like a demon.
Wait, did you just say demon?
Did you agree?
No! And no, it ends in a D. It's DEMON.
We will not bring up the drowned
Demon?
debacle.
Demon, not demon.
I used to
That's
call
what
it
you
demon.
say.
Demon? Is that not right?
No!
Demon?
Demon.
It ends with
Oh
an
my
O,
god, you're a
or
demon?
no.
No!
Shut up!
Doesn't, okay, when you say,
Oh my god, I've been cursed by a demon.
No.
where's wood? Did
I
I do it right? I know, I'm wiping my wrist off. I have 10 minutes.
You're going in there at 3:15.
Yeah, because I have to pick up my tuba.
You're a good student.
I know, I kind of felt like I was about to vomit.
That's the wind, John.
Yeah.
There's a hair in my mouth.
Where's Mariana?
She has a doctor's appointment.
Oh,
Can I show them the video of me
I
almost
just didn't
dying at
want
my
to
house?
bitch her, you know.
I showed my parents that, and they thought
Wait,
it was
Nelly,
really
do you
funny.
have those pictures from the baby photos last night? Let me see your phone.
From the baby
Let me
photos?
see your phone.
Want to see the one that I'm
And
doing?
we're filming on it again. I'm not making that mistake again.
Oh, wait, I have to point out.
There's one of me, a baby photo.
Hang on,
Wait, did we hit 100 of views yet?
I don't know.
Like raw chicken.
I'm sorry, I didn't look.
This could be
my
100
God.
view like celebration.
This is a picture of Nat eating a birthday cake, okay? We see that. And it's probably just a plain normal, normally made birthday cake. There we have Allison in the background. Sticky fingered culprit, okay? I looked into this. There's chocolate cake on her fingers and maybe something else. And so that implies that she ate the cake. Can you imply that you did eat the cake?
Sure.
That cake wasn't vegan or gluten free. She's not a vegan.
That was.
She's not a
That's
vegan.
what inspired her to become a vegan.
No, it did not.
Cake.
Show me another picture of her eating.
Show me the Carfax.
Just a bunch. So there was the one where Allison, they took a video of her and she was sitting, I don't know what
stared at the
she was
fence
eating
for
green
10
beans. You know,
seconds.
that was vegan. But she was just like in her chair,
Green
just
peas are not
literally
vegan.
passed out. Beans?
Beans.
Green peas are disgusting.
I eat green peas.
I like them.
I had them for lunch.
I like the snap peas
sugar
and the
peas?
snap peas.
Yeah.
Are you excited for the meeting tonight?
Disgusting.
Like the
I look
chips.
tan.
I look not proportionate.
So-
I look like a
It's-
I
softball.
look like James Charles when he doesn't know how to pick up his
Yeah, yeah,
What was
Wah,
What?
yeah.
So what happens if I neither me nor my sister?
Sit front row.
Your tongue almost came out of your mouth involuntarily.
None of my family or me.
Wait,
can
what was
go
I
to
like?
the
You told me.
Wait, can you
meeting,
show me a
so am I
representation
just
of
gonna
what
get
it looks like?
Screamed at. You're like,
Mr. You said that there was going to be like forms.
I'll just fill them out later.
Yeah, it'll be fine. You paid your money. You're going.
Yeah.
He's like, I didn't pay my money. Gosh! We're filming a video. You can do whatever you want. Hi, Bobo. See? Thanks.
She doesn't. We're just here.
Today.
That's my Bobo dog. That's my mom. We can just. I'm just kidding. Shout
I
out.
was walking with Jemima, Blue, and Steph, right? And I was
I
walking
heart
with my
you.
niece and Mr. Linwood. I don't know his name.
Okay. Thanks. I love you.
That's his name. I don't know. He gave me a Chick-fil-A gift card.
I literally was like,
Nat.
where Riley is right now. Hopefully she's not like.
Nat, how did you do this?
I would've
Oh, I think I did it. I'm not really sure. Nat, you might have to
Now you
fix
know.
it.
Stop doing
I
that.
don't want it up here. My car, my rules.
We have a special guest.
I messed this up.
Here she comes, my fellow softball.
There's like no room on this side.
Yeah.
There's no room on this side.
Boom, boom, boom.
I'll stand.
I don't know how.
Oh, the breeze feels good.
This is Riley. She's our star catcher. She hit a dinger the
Hello.
other day, by the way. This is Kendall and John. And
Does Waffle
Allison.
drive?
No, she doesn't have a car.
Waffle.
Her name's Rafaela.
Welcome back.
I love her. She's short.
This is gonna be stuck in my head the rest of the day.
What is?
Okay.
Yeah.
What is that from?
James Charles.
James Charles, like,
He
meme.
said that. He sang, or not said, he sang it, and it was really funny.
Yeah.
Wait, can you like
you
do
get our
an exact
practice earlier than
representation?
Because it was a free
I don't remember
practice.
that. I don't remember that. Somebody
Did you
gotta
see
pull
his?
up the video
oh
right
my
now.
god. He did his thing where he did the makeup like in the alphabet.
Oh
right?
yeah, that was
And it
funny.
like, womp, womp. And what was it? It was like Y's for yeah.
W is for.
Yeah.
Show me this. I need to see this. John, pull it up.
Are you subscribed?
No.
That's a lot of effort for me to go.
Same. That's what I feel. What time is it?
Riley, do you have any tea?
I have 5 minutes.
No, not really. Sorry.
Wait, let's.
Allison has tea.
No, if they sign up for
Do I
our
have
bus,
tea?
let's just all
That's my tea.
eat out of there.
So many featured
Now
people.
pop in real quick. We're filming.
It's Truck Tea Talk. Did you watch the first episode?
tea.
No. What? We're not featuring you.
Oh, that's where it was. Okay, I was like wondering. Where
We're not featuring you.
Put
You need to go and yes, you need to watch the video.
Subscribe. Okay.
Censor
Like
the
I will
comment.
make a YouTube account, subscribe, and watch it.
And like it. Give it a
Yes,
thumbs
and
up.
like it.
Oh,
Don't
look,
worry. There's the other part of the team. I'll copy the link, post it to people. Truck Tea Talk. We're filming if you want to come say hi, but only if you're subscribed.
What if they didn't watch the video? Fake fans. Oh, they're leaving. They don't want to see.
Hello.
Riley's back here.
You already have dirt on your hat. She dropped
We gotta
it
give
and
them a
then
picture
stepped
if
She
they
dropped
watch.
it and then stepped on it. And I was like, no, you're
so
not.
sad.
And
You
then
have
you're
to
like,
wash it now.
Yeah, I might wash it.
Yeah.
You can feature them if they watch the first
Yeah.
video.
Whoa, I automatically
Just
get
read
featured.
Matthew's favorite,
whatever.
by the way. Yeah.
Hi,
I hate
sisters.
that class.
Hi.
I hate that class so much.
Never see
Ow.
anyone anymore.
The last time I saw you was Lexi's party.
Wait, you're the only one I don't know. What's your name?
where we took
John.
Wow, this is like a party now.
I want high chew now.
Softball surprise.
God, I want canes.
Nobody else feels that way.
I can go
and
in.
strawberry.
Strawberry's the all-time like
Every
best.
time I say
I
hi
want
to
a
my
hi
dad
chew.
says, "Cause you're tight." And I'm like,
Oh my god.
every time. So now I like
Dad
think about that
joke.
every time I say hi
Oh, they're
to.
not vegan.
Yeah.
That's the teeth. They have
High
gelatin
chew
in
is
them.
not vegan,
There's
and you
gelatin in
ate
them.
some.
I didn't eat any high chew.
I could have sworn
She
you
just
did.
gave it to us.
High
put it
chews
in
are
my
so
car.
good. Do you have one?
No, I
There's
wish.
I've never had
It's
a high
Riley's.
chew. I have no idea what it tastes like.
They're so good.
Yeah, she's so locked out of her
I look
car.
like I'm not a trash can.
You know how
Adam
he
Sandler. I'm trash.
You know how he always wears like his hat like that? Yeah. Clickbait.
I was pointing out your hat.
Adam Sandler's in our truck TikTok.
Wait, how do I? Let me do an
Technically,
Adam
wouldn't be
Sandler
clickbait.
impression. What does he do? He doesn't do that.
Not that.
I'm annoying.
I'm annoying grown up.
I have to leave.
Whoa.
Don't throw my teacup at me.
I have to leave.
Okay.
Bye. Like, comment, subscribe.
Bye. Nice to meet you.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.